Hey YouTube family, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And if you're new, my name is Shamsa. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back and showing your support. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications. Not a lot of you have your post notifications on, which is the bell. It will let you know whenever I upload a new video so you can keep up with it. I don't know, for some reason YouTube automatically sets it to silenced, so you have to turn on the bell so that way you can see whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So for today, first of all, it is day 14 of Ramadan. Ramadan is going by so fast, and it's going great, alhamdulillah. I live in Texas, so every year when it's Ramadan, it always lands on the months that are hot, which is June, towards the end of June or July, and it's so hot. So Ramadan is whew, it's not good. But this year, alhamdulillah, we're in March and our weather is nice. It's right now, like today, it's a little cold outside. It's not too cold or too hot. It's a little cold, but and windy too. But it's perfect, alhamdulillah. And I hope that your fasting is going great. So for today's vlog, I have some cleaning to do. I hope you guys enjoy cleaning, by the way. But I have some cleaning to do. My refrigerator is just disgusting. It needs to be cleaned. I am a mom. I have 5 kids. And my refrigerator cannot stay clean at all times. So it's disgusting in there. I need to deep clean it. So we're going to clean that up today. And if you have some cleaning to do, I hope that you get it done with me. And if you enjoy some cleaning videos, let me know. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and comment down below. Baby started eating food, so I was just about to feed her some baby food. This is apple and banana mixed. So she started eating food, alhamdulillah, and she can sit on her own. So mashallah. Mashallah, she started sitting on her own. She's 6 months now, so she's a big girl. Time's going by fast, guys. So this is her baby food. She loves eating food. She even wants to eat the regular food that we eat, and I'm scared to feed her that because I don't want her choking on it. So we're gonna start off with the baby foods, and then maybe after she has teeth or something, I'm gonna start feeding her our regular food. That she loves banana and apple and strawberries. So I even tried pineapple with her, and she really loved it. She just basically loves everything. Come on, sit down, sit down. So baby can sit on her own. She does need some support sometimes, but she can sit on her own. Yeah. Come on. Here. You okay? So this is how my refrigerator looks. Everything is just everywhere, guys. Yeah, it didn't used to look like this, but I also need to restock on some things, but that's gonna happen maybe on Friday or something. I'm gonna go shopping, but as of right now, I'm just gonna clean it out and see what I'm missing. So the first thing to do is to get everything out so that way I can clean the little refrigerator baskets. I think that's what they're called, where you store your fruits and stuff. So I'm gonna take everything out and then we'll see. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a like. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you. So please consider to click on that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, give the video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my other vlogs. Bye.